Hi, this is really just talking about what I've been doing lately. I've been sort of compiling locations that I can use for the project. A lot of them really are self-explanatory. For example, I've got various shots around Norwich City Football Club and Ipswich Town Football Club. I don't know as of yet if it would be possible for me to gain access actually inside the ground, so I have played it safe and I've sort of thought of various angles that I could use outside the ground. So yeah, various angles outside the ground, and also I've been using quite a lot of websites and also Google Maps to help me with other locations. This is generally to find out good spots, sort of for getting good general shots. For example, of the city of Norwich, I've been told that if you go by the castle, that you can get a good shot down on some of the city, and also various places along the river that are good for shots. And also using Google Maps, I've managed to find out how I can get good shots of the cathedral, which obviously that is a key landmark in Norwich. Yeah, and generally also looking for reasonably high up locations so I can get a good view down on the city and also perhaps the ground, but I haven't had a great deal of luck with that. Sort of been out and about, but there hasn't really been anything that has really ticked every box for me. Also, another thing that I've been thinking of is props. There isn't really a great deal of props that I need, as this is a documentary. It's mainly factual rather than sort of fictional, but one touch I have thought about adding is where I'm standing outside either one of the grounds, football's thrown in, I catch it and then kick it out shot. It's something that it does happen quite a bit in documentaries sometimes, and I think it may add a good touch. Also, it depends on where the shot is taking place, and also the weather, because if the wind is very high then it's going to be a nightmare throwing the ball in accurately, catching it and kicking it away. So we'll have to see about that. Other idea is sitting for props is just a laptop. Just this depends on if I'm doing a survey, sitting there sort of looking at it, using it as a tool, reading my survey results off it. Again, that's something that's quite common in documentaries and would probably add a good touch to it. In terms of actors and things like that, there is really no need for actors, just sort of, well, interviewees, most of whom I have got a reasonably good idea of who I'm going to ask. And yeah, but there is really no acting as such. It's all sort of real time and spontaneous, so yep, there won't be really any need to get anyone specifically in to play a part or anything. So yeah, that is a quick update on props, actors and locations and various things like that.